I'm Storm Team 6 meteorologist Todd Clausen. Welcome to the warmest day of the month and potentially the warmest day of the year. If we can get to that 74-degree number, it'll tie as warm as we've been so far in 2017. If you have plans today outdoors, get out and enjoy. Even this evening, temperatures will be in the 60s. Tomorrow we stay in the 60s, but we bring scattered showers and a few thunderstorms into the forecast. With that said, do not cancel any outdoor plans. I think we're dry on Saturday on TrueCast here until mid-afternoon. Then it's just a few spotty showers. Then as we head into the evening hours, that's the best chance of some heavier downpours with maybe a few thunderstorms. And they'll continue to early Sunday morning. And then Sunday morning we'll deal with some scattered showers across the area, but the second half of the day should start to dry out. Not looking at a ton of rain, generally under 0.3 of an inch both days. Although if you do get caught in one of those thunderstorms late Saturday night, you will pick up a little more in the way of rainfall. Still unsettled Monday and Tuesday with rain showers, but still mild as well with temperatures in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. We dry out on Wednesday with a high temperature of 64.